Hey guys, I'm very happy that you decided to watch another one of my videos. If you're new here, then I would suggest starting with the first lesson that was posted last week on Thursday. If you already did the first lesson with me, then you know today we're going to learn the basic step of salsa, New York style, as the title implies. And you will also remember that our basic steps go right, left, right, left. This stays the same, except staying in place. We're now going to move forwards and backwards. And it looks like this. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So, let's do that together, very slowly. Alright, our basic step. We're going to make a small step forward with our right foot on 1. Then a step forward with our left foot on 2. And we're stepping our right foot in place on 3. Then on 4 we have a little pause, remember? So we don't step. And we're going to continue with a small step backwards with our left foot on 5. A step backwards with our right foot on 6. And we're stepping our left foot in place on 7. Now let's repeat that. We have our right foot forward on 1, our left foot forward on 2, and our right foot in place on 3. Then our left foot backwards on 5, our right foot backwards on 6, and our left foot in place on 7. Now don't worry, we're going to repeat that a couple of times. I'm going to count down on 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to start with our basic step. We're going to start very slowly and then gradually increase the tempo a little bit. Alright, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Right foot forward, left foot forward, right in place. Left foot backwards, right foot backwards, left in place. Right, forward, right in place. Left, backwards, right, backwards, left in place. Forward, in place. Back, in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's go faster. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And faster. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So, how did that go? The video is time-stamped, so if you would like to repeat this last part or any part of the video, it should be easy to find. Now, before we move on and bring in the music, I would like you to remember something, always. And that is to make very small steps. Alright, especially on count 1 and on count 5. Okay? So, on that note, let's try the basic step to music. Now let's listen to music first. Do you hear it? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now count with me. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now next up, I'm going to count down on 5, 6, 7, and we're going to start a basic step. We're going to start with our right foot forward on 1. Remember? Alright. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. 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 Forward, forward in place. Back, back in place. 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 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. So in our next exercise, we're going to do the basic step in different directions. So to the front, to the sides, and to the back. This will really help us ingrain that step into our muscle memory. But if you're not comfortable with the basic step just to the front yet, absolutely no problem. Just ignore this exercise. You can use this time to practice the basic step as normal. And you can come back to this exercise later. For this exercise, we're going to take 4 counts of 8 in each direction, and we're going to do our basic step 3 times. So the first 3 8 counts, we're going to do our basic step, and then on the last one, we're going to stop, turn 1/4, and count down to do our basic step again in a different direction. I will quickly show you what it looks like. For this exercise, I will be facing the same direction as you, so I will turn my back on you. Only for the exercise, nothing personal. And it's gonna look like this. So 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, second time. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Third. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Stop. Turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Stop. Turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So we're going to repeat this to the back, to the other side, and back to the front again. Alright? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Stop and turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Stop. Turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Stop. Turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Stop. Turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Now for our next little exercise, we're going to stay to the front, but we're still going to practice directions. So when I say 5, 6, 7, we're going to start our basic step, not to the front, but to a diagonal. So to our right corner. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to switch. 6, 7 to our left corner. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to switch again to the right. 1, 2, 3, and switch to the left. And we're going to continue doing that just a few times. Alright? Let's go. Right corner, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, left corner, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, right corner, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, left corner, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, right corner, 6, 7. 1. Left corner, 6, 7. 1. Right corner, 6, 7. 1. Left corner, 6, 7. 1. Right corner. 1. Left corner. 1, right corner, 1, left corner. Now keep on switching. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's have some fun with everything we've learned up till now. At least it's going to be fun for me. I'm going to give you 4 cues and you're going to execute those cues. Alright, so I'm going to call out, for example, basic step. And you're going to execute a basic step. Just to the front, nothing crazy. That's our first cue. And then our second cue is right corner. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And if I don't call out anything, you're just going to continue doing what you're doing. Now the third cue is going to be left corner. So you switch. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And our last cue is going to be in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Remember in place? We did that last week. Basic in place. So we have 4 cues. Basic step, right corner, left corner, and in place. It will all become clear in a second, I promise. Basic step, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1. Right corner, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1. Left corner, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1. Basic step, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1. In place, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1. Basic step, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Left corner, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Right corner, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 5. 1. In place, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1, 5. 1. Basic step, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1. In place, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1. Right corner, 6, 7. 1, 5. 1. Left corner. 1, 5. 1. In place. 1, 5. 1. Basic and 1, 5. 1. Left corner. 1, 5. 1. Right corner. 1. In place. 1, 5. 1. Right corner. And 1, 5. 1. Basic step. 1. Left corner. 1. And basic step. 1. In place. 1. Right corner. 1. And basic step. And 5, 6, 7. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in the second lesson. If you would like to learn more, then please consider subscribing. The next lesson will be posted next week, always on Thursdays. And in the meantime, don't forget to practice. You can rewatch this video or the first video, but you can also practice to music. I have a little playlist with music to practice to in the description box below. Thanks again and bye.